Get column names from query result using pymssql. Is there any way to get the column names from the pymssql results? If I specify as _dict equals true, I get back a dictionary, which does contain all the column headers, but since it is a dictionary they are not ordered.
pymssql claims to support the Python DB API, so you should be able to get the .description attribute from your cursor object. .description. So, the first item in each of the inner sequences is the name for each column.
You can create a list of ordered column names using list comprehension on the cursor description attribute.
To get the column names on a single comma-separated line, alternatively, pass the column names to a list and use join to get them as string.
It's a basic solution and need optimizing, but the below example returns both column header and column value in a list.